You're ready to sell your house. Let me show you how I can help attract interested buyers and make sure it stands out from the crowd. For starters, I'll put your listing on the MLS and put up a yard sign so your house gets maximum visibility from the thousands of agents in our area and anyone that may be driving by. We'll host open houses with your permission, which will create excitement and competition that can lead to stronger offers and give us instant feedback on what potential buyers may think of your home. I'll post pictures of your house all over my website and social media channels. In addition, we advertise your home on over 300 real estate websites, including premium placement on sites like Zillow, Homes.com, and Realtor.com. That'll allow us to reach the widest possible audience of serious buyers. We do 360-degree virtual tours and video tours so buyers can see the house at any time without inconveniencing you. These are just a few of the ways we market your home. If you want more details, I'm happy to pop by for a consultation and we can see if we're a good fit to work together.